Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Better Kitchen. For today I'm going to show you how I cook my fried okra. See it? I'm going to show you how I cook it. Everybody cook it in their own way, but me I love it just the way I'm going to do it now. Still time. Let's get started. Okay. You are going to cut your okra. You see this? You see this? Remove this patty. Remove it. The end. Here we go. Okay. See, like this. Cut your okra slashes very well. And now I'm going to add some fresh onion, tomato, and pepper. You can cut your onion. Okay, my tomatoes. See? As you can see this? Wow, very beautiful. Step, yeah, I have some oil. Hot it very well. When it's hot, you can now add your okra. Fry your okra. Fry it very well. You keep your stove on low for it to not get burnt. Fry your okra. Fry it very well. In another pot here you can boil whatsoever meat or you need. Yeah, I have my meat with some fish, stockfish. I have everything inside, but you can. Yeah, I have my okra. Keep stirring it. Now here I go. I have my Maggie. You can add your salt, black pepper, your onion leaf, and my Maggie. I love Maggie. Oh, I love Maggie. Okay. Black pepper. I have some onion leaves. Add it. Those. You can add something like this. 1 spoon. Not too much. Yeah, not really big. If I want too much, after will be like it's something like when it's too much, the tomato. Then it makes your soup have that sour flavor. No, not much. Keep mixing your okra. Keep mixing it in a slow way. Be careful so that I won't get burned. Now your okra should look like this. You see it? It's just like this. The color, the flavor, everything. Watch me. And now you can add your meat. Now I'm adding my meat. You see here, I have everything there. You can use the little water from your meat. It's okay. Add a little salt. Add another Maggie and your pepper. Not everyone love many peppers, so me I love doing it this way. Just drop some pepper in it, and after at the end I can go. Your okra sauce should look like this. Delicious. Like this. Leave it boil until all the water can get dry.